B, it's a privilege to stand here with you today as your maid of honor. I'm so proud of the woman you've become and the life you've created for yourself. I personally would not be who I am today if it wasn't for you, and I know everyone in this room who knows you feels the same way. You are a blessing in everyone's life, especially in mine.
You look so beautiful tonight, Yadira, and I'm so excited to begin our journey together as husband and wife. There's so much to love about you, but above all, I love how you truly make me a better man. You inspire me every day to be better. Better in my professional career, a better brother, a better uncle, a better son, a better friend, but most importantly, a better man for you, a better husband. One day soon, I know that you'll inspire me to be the best father I can be too.
Today I get to marry the man of my dreams, my real life Prince Charming. When we first met, never in a million years did I think you would be the one, simply because, as I jokingly always say, I don't date white boys. Words cannot express how I feel about you. In you, I have found my best friend, my lover, my inspiration, my better half, and my ultimate soulmate. I am lucky enough to say that with you, my life is full. You are my greatest achievement and my most prized possession. Today is the first day of the rest of our lives together. The best memories are yet to be made, and I cannot wait for them to be with you.
It's good and it's right. I give it all just to have you tonight. When you say your love makes me come undone.
You deserve the best in life, and I promise to always do everything I can to provide the best for you. I promise to keep making you laugh and smile, and to treat you like the princess that you are. I will do my best to make you as happy as you make me, and give back to you as much as you give to me. I'm so lucky to have found you, Biddy. I love you.
Stands against all the odds. Love that blooms in the dark. You are good for my heart.
Ross, your relationship with your father is on another level. There's a business respect and a father-son bond that I've never quite seen, and it's really special. So you're really fortunate for that. Your loyalty to everyone who you value in your personal life and your business is impressive. You won't budge, and you will put your loved ones before yourself, as you said in your vows that Yadira does to you. And 3, you have literally the best hairline in the game. And coming from me, that means a lot.
Close your eyes with me, start imagining a world full of love. We can change the stars with our hands and hearts, make them shine all right. But no, don't worry, darling, they won't stop staring, but soon they'll be caring. Come from near and far.
If there's anyone here that doesn't know Yadira well, I encourage you to get to know her. I'm so proud to call her my friend and now my sister. I've known Ross for many years, and I know for a fact that no one has made him happier than you do. So thank you for loving my best friend as much as you do. I know it's not an easy task. May you never go to bed angry. Always remind each other that no matter the circumstances, you can survive if you have each other. And I think I speak for everyone here when I say how happy we are for the two of you. So let's raise one more glass for the newlyweds. Congratulations to Ross and Yadira.